Aloha! I wish I was in Hawaii right now because that sounds like a fun place to be. But let's all pretend that we're aloha Hawaiian it right now and just be happy and get excited for our discussion, lesson 17, about abnormal behavior. And I don't know about you, but I thought these graphics were pretty funny and pretty cool. Let's start with a joke and then get into our prompt. This joke's one of my favorites, guys. I love it. So, why did the old man fall into the well? Because he couldn't see that well. And the old dude laughing with no teeth. Get it? You couldn't see that well? Couldn't see that well. Oh, you know you're going to tell someone that joke. You're gonna. All right. Excuse me. Let's go into the prompt. And there's a picture of me, a Bitmoji. Please answer the following questions using at least one complete sentence each. By the time you're done with your post, you should have at least 6 sentences, guys. All right, number one. In your own words, what is the definition of abnormal behavior? You're going to learn all about that in your workbook. So hopefully you read the textbook definition and now you're able to put it in your own words. Number two, why is it difficult to define certain abnormal behaviors? So it also talks about that in the reading, but why is it hard to really look at something and go, yep, that's an abnormal behavior, and that isn't one? Why is that hard to do? Number three, what is a behavior that is considered normal in one country that is considered abnormal in another country? For instance, I don't actually know if this is true or not, but I watched a movie that said in Tonga it's like totally the correct manners to burp after a meal. Like just to belch at the table like that means it's polite. And I don't know if it's true, but that's what they said in the movie. But if you did that in the United States, if you burped after a meal, people would look at you and be like, "Whoa, that's rude. Like that's not normal." So that's just one example. One behavior that's normal someplace, but not normal somewhere else. Number four, pick a mental health issue that impacts our society today. So dig deep in your brain, think of something, a mental health issue that, this is something that really impacts us today. Number five, which model of abnormality would you focus on to help someone who is struggling with that mental health issue? And the reading talks all about different models of abnormality. So look through those and find the one that you go, yep, that would help someone struggle with that mental health issue. And then for number six, why would you choose that model? Here's your rubric, how you're going to be graded there. So 10 points for defining abnormal behavior in your own words, 15 points for explaining why it is difficult to define certain abnormal behaviors, 15 points for listing a behavior that is considered normal in one country but abnormal in another one, 10 points for picking a mental health issue that impacts our society today, 15 points for listing which model of abnormality you would focus on to help someone who's struggling with that mental health issue, 15 points for analyzing why you would focus on that model, and then a good 20 points for your grammar and sentence requirement. As always, I want you to double check your capitalization, your punctuation, your spelling, and for this one, 6 complete sentences, please. I'm here for you if you need help, but other than that, good luck, my friends. You've got this, and aloha.